Kalatvlive. Kalatvlive machiegni pacho ma e odwa.
Nyakoro mogida kosekalo kanyo 22 bang' saa 2 kogwen maket kod maendi waleo matin kotende kod achiel ariyo adek mok nyal geng'. Kata kamano wadhi chwale mapiyo antie kod wendo kaendi migosi Jojo Sura jagoro e Kisumu County mano mar Kupet ka bende kawuono rang'iyo machuok wechego eko mag somo wechego eko mag puonj. Joluo gongero ni ng'ama somo pogruok nitie e ngimani kisomo gi jalno ero ma ok osomo. Education is an equalizer. Oyaore Sura ka thuolo ni eri king'iyo picha ni eri mose oganda jokanya nam kugwen maket kod ma.
Erokamano ahinya Justus. Daher mar moso joluo duto ni osawre uru. Kendo daher mar rwakogi ni mae e odwa.
Erokamano. Jojo Sura ni ng'at ma samoro neni kawuono for the first time.
Jojo Sura en japuonj. Mapuonjo Njiko Boys High School to sani koro en e leave. Sani I'm the executive secretary mar Kupet Kisumu branch.
Yande puonjo Njiko.
Yes.
Erokamano. To iwuod kure?
Awuod
Asembo iwuod Yoma.
Awuod Nyakach Jimo Harambe.
Yes. Inuwuod gi Thondi osiepena mang'eny Nyakach kanyo.
Ewuod Gochuka.
Kamoting'o Aduma wuono wuor. Mano nyakwar kere.
Yes.
Kamoting'o Jonathan Okotho Pande.
Yes.
Mano jaohala matuklu.
Mano sip na
Erokamano. Nyuloro bambo tutamre ao school nyithindo ne goko konang'o Sura?
Daher mar wacho ni jo board nyoloro bambo, not the Ministry of Education. Ng'ato ka ng'ato nigi tije.
Okay.
Ministry of Education tich ne onyalo loro school.
Yes.
Sama nitie emergency kaka manyitie bambo no kapo ni gifail ni emergency, which of course was not. Koro jo board nyotimo mano to samoro ng'eni gik moko nyalo timore nikech emotions ich wang' moro mobiro mapoya nono.
Okay.
To ago erokamano ne Ministry of Education nikech nyege insist ma school oseyaw manyoro.
Sura, what I would ask, is it within the mandate of the board?
It is not. It's not, and the board knows. In fact, that bit the PS and that's a band on that team.
Dismantle the...
Dikora se chako board manyien. To samoro nikech chuny maber nikech school board dwaro negi maber.
Yes,
samoro disbanding the board might not be a solution, but talking to them could be a better solution for the school.
What do you think? Nyithindo kanyo chopo sama koro nyen midhiambo kane gi ng'anyo, then some of them were now gele and you being japuonj mosepuonje boarding containing gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, a school midhiambo ka gisebedo agitated, would have been easy?
Kendo ng'eni is a mixed boarding day. School moting'o chuo gi nyiri.
Yes.
Ok tiche
moko nindo kanyo moko dok pacho.
Nyiri nitie manindo, chuo be nitie manindo the same school.
Correct.
Koro nyobedo matek to gima agone Nyasaye erokamano ni jopuonj gin joma nigi wisdom. Nyegi handle ma ok obedo gi any case.
Okay.
Onge gima motimore marach. Koro dwadwokne ma Nyasaye erokamano nikech mano gima osekalo. Sani koro there is peace.
Yeah, to
school move on.
Nyegi sedok?
Nyegi dok nyoro.
Okay.
Grade 10 nyo report nyoro. Kawuono be I'm sure ni the form 3s will be reporting today. And nyaneno ka jatelo bine school nyakalo kanyo wanene ka ne school kanyo.
The new one?
The new principal is there.
I'm told the new one has come from Kisumu Day, if I'm not wrong.
No, he has come from Parla.
He
was a deputy at Kisumu Day. Then he was promoted to Parla Secondary School in Nyando sub-county.
Kala sebudone school ne wagetinde. Tie moko masegwaro nagi because I think if I'm not wrong, he's called Mr. Kagola.
It's Kagola.
The last time I knew Kagola was in Kisumu Day.
Yeah, Kagola is a very hardworking teacher. Kagola nachako ng'eyo kind secretary sports Nyando. Apani 15 years ago.
Okay.
Koro he might look young, but gimang'eyo is mature and is equal to task.
Okay. Much we can say any poti park ne Mr. Kagola kumne mie workstation manyin maino bambo mixed secondary school kama koro the go teach. Responsibility maduong' kaka duol makeno ti jopuonj Kupet. Nye nang'o ka tang' manyo timo neno ni jopuonj oriti maber.
Ing'eyo ni wan kaka jo union wan tijwa ni wadwaro a lot of peace in our schools. And our work is to protect the teachers and ing'eni principals are also members of the union. Koro both Kagola and Bwana Wao were all our members of the union.
Okay.
to nikech Kagola was a teacher in Kisumu County.
Yes.
I was also a teacher in Kisumu County. So kang atachiele yomi another school to ngamache bochor somewhere.
Yes.
Kaponi okobedo demoted to kuro one koko mwanyalo goye
Okay.
Kuro one you don't want transition be very smooth. Mondo jotelo nikech it is the responsibility of the TSC.
Yes.
To transfer. Kuro ka gineno ni kanye ber to japuonj ko aneno ka gino dey interfere gi health ne. Kuro one koko mwanyalo goye
Exactly.
Yes.
Japuonj bede school kumigneli. It's just stimulated period of time.
Yeah, there is something about it. About 5 years. TSC,
Money if you are ahead.
If you are ahead.
Okay.
To just ordinary teacher like me, then 9 years should be enough for you.
Oh.
To samoro magok nyal gatimore. Nikech samonya yudoni na station japuonj ngata chiel kata samoro in a small school ipuonjo kwano gi chemistry ngata chiel. Kuma de samo goli to mondo ng'ama biro kanyo ok yot.
And also may not be that
more so in schools more difficult to staff like Nyando. Ingene Nyando onge gima japuonj yudo apart from his salary.
Okay.
Seme mago school mar very hard to staff. In Kisumu we are lucky in most of our schools gina hardship mar Muhoroni and Nyando and Nyakach. Then others we have central, they are also within the municipality, so they also enjoy enhanced house allowance. But these other schools like Nyando, daero manyisi ndio puonj bude kabisa. Nikech kigola gola japuonj to ng'ama dwa dhi kanyo onge.
Okay.
But nyaka bed mag new recruitment.
Bed ge new cohort minyalo keto.
Minyalo yudo.
Kinyalo interfere with the system kaka dhi nyime.
That is it. Koro japuonj nyalo bedo ni bude skundege.
Kupet. Ularango gi jaod bura ma Kisumu East. Shakil Chabir.
Hapa ni onge personal issue between Kupet and Shabir. But nitie some utterances masamoro kotimore to kaka wan jotel nikech wambo kwa dwar koko.
Okay.
One odwar a lot of peace. Kura our work is to engage the MP. Makata sani as Osura there is I've tried to approach the MP. Because I don't want to bed pain.
Is
the
approachable?
leadership. Yes.
Oh, he's approachable.
We want to have a meeting with the MP and the leadership. Mar the Kisumu East. You know, when I talk about leadership, I'm talking about we have NAT, we are talking about we have sports,
yes,
we have music, we have the co-curricular activities.
Correct.
So
yes.
If we can get the leadership and the Kesha and capture more better pain, more work with the MP, then at the end of the day, apparently things will be okay. The nature of Indians sometimes gidiroga watch.
Nyeche gibanu mo.
Kinini ka giba watch to giba malate. Kama wachenjo bayo watch malate kabisa parliament.
It may be true.
No, it cannot be for all teachers. Okay. The teaching as a family.
What did he say? Quote unquote.
No wacho ni jopuonj goyo ji. Which is not true. Jopuonj goyo ji.
You guys are hooligans?
Yeah, man, you know we are goons.
You guys are goons?
Which is not true.
You're breathing goons?
Which is not true.
Actually, I'm told, before you get into that, Yatimoro ne otigi picha ne kane uweyo Obama. This guy was speaking in Sheng. I love the Sheng, by the way. Then Joachako socials ni kana unmubru gunski. Magi kun buka uka kai. Gin makoro gili rege josiasa. And on a light note today.
Kuro wacho ni teachers are like goons. Jopuonj molest. Yani gi go nyithindo just in a way.
Molesting chako nyithindo.
They molest gi mulo.
Sexually.
Ni jopuonj mulo nyithindo, you molest.
Mulo nyithindo
to touch.
Which sensitive part of the body.
Which is not right.
Why are you guys doing this?
Then chako wacho ni they even rape. They even rape. And again when you rape, meaning you must be having a case in court. Nikech mago gik malich ok gin gik matendo. So court already evidence.
Shakil is saying you guys are rapists.
Yeah, but we are almost nikech we are trying to engage. Nikech okola such kind of utterances. Nikech we also want peace. We want to collaborate with the leadership.
Correct.
Kuro what one as an MP, there is a way munyalo donjo to support the teachers so that the teachers have a better environment to
Iwacho ni kaja sasa koso to handle kaka justas.
That is it. Kaja punya chiel otimo makosa. Handle mana kama.
Oketangi ni jo puonji be koso.
Yeah, nikech ingeni these are family. Wala kaka we have pastors, we have what. If you didn't think at a chiel mangele mane oknyal koso.
If there's one rogue journalist, does not mean all journalists
are
rogue.
Yeah, and for sure there are some.
Good.
Could let it be handled. Could be specific wajani Osura otimo
magi one evidence 1 2 3
to kuru yopuo we urukode. You know now that's a better time.
Now they approach your leadership.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kuru we are engaging.
The other day not even wango mokwongo.
mokwongo no
wacha ni rema ka
no yanyo japuonj an gin pacho kose GM in no le in GM ing'e japuonj ng'ama ji oluor ma ji respect koro jonyuol obiro
jopuonj kane chopo to ni chung
ko jonyuol obiro you can imagine jonyuol obiro nyithindo be nitie it is a GM but people should be celebrated for good performance.
Yes.
And you know kada be man performance is bad.
Yes.
There must be something good in it and that's why the meeting was called.
Okay.
Maybe nyathi achielo improve. You know, you should capitalize on this improvement. Mondo nyithindo ne there is a possibility
somebody can make
of doing better. Yeah?
Yes.
But when you capitalize on your moraine, then they will see they are in a bad place. Okay. Of which, you know, we gi japuonj marach, mo japuonj no koro ngamo nego be ni riembo kata na school. Ma japuonj wi kuot ma ko uro ko jago duogo school. And again, our work as a union, talking about not temporary. So we also protect the teacher. And you know, even the TSC, the work of the TSC is to manage and protect the teacher. But in the core approach, us to we protect. To when you say now, we just go and even a video. They are also human beings.
Yes.
Yeah, they want dignity to their profession. They have to transfer the teacher. Imagine when you transfer to Nyakachi. It's normal.
Environment,
yes. And someone when you attacked in a wrong way, we cannot relent. We must go and ensure the point is removed. Even the other time when there was the issue of Nyangoto in Moroni, my teachers were the mob block. Magi wacho ni japuonj ma lang odo ka root. What do we do? Don't go make sure japuonj odo ka root. You sama ngato chako ethnic profiling. No?
Yes.
It's very dangerous.
Correct.
It's not something we take lightly. Kabuno kia ngato wacho kani jalang mo retie ka ni jalang odo dala gi. It's not a small thing.
Yes.
Kuro we took it seriously more and sure ni japuonj no ero mane anyangoto mane wacho kamano. No go le class. More make sure no be transferred to Rift Valley.
Okay.
Japuonj machielo be manchi gweng no be wagolo nikech koro jo gweng no dwa goye and this a lady ma also knows bedo with some challenges ma personal wagole mwatere sani en Kisumu boys ka koro as the union to kangato okelo wiye to tijwa yot we only withdraw our teacher.
Okay.
We talk to the TSC and they transfer because we have the reasons, we have evidence. Where we don't have evidence we cannot do that. Okay. We must work within the law.
Okay. What mane kindi kod duol man ndiko jopuonje tich chalo nade kod jatend migao mar somo mutiyo machalo nade?
Dar mar wacho ni the Kupet Kisumu branch, if I leave the national one, which I don't have authority to talk about. Yes. As a branch, Kisumu branch, mane one the director, TSC director, Bwana Atuoto Joseph. Nye one very good working relationship.
Okay. And
not only Atuoto, who is this the county director, but even the sub-county director of TSCs.
Okay.
All of them in the whole of this county. Dair Marinyisini, Azosura, who is the captain, who is the executive secretary of Kupet, I have a very good working relationship with them. And we want to really ensure Negini will continue and should even become much better. Okay. Issues majorly they touch on TSC. But if we can engage on the table, then the better.
Okay.
Than maybe fighting, going to the social media all the time, making noise. It's their duty to transfer. Even right now, there are teachers who have been transferred. But we are engaging the TSC and we are ensuring one of the things, we can't stop them from transferring teachers.
Correct.
But we want a situation whereby the teachers are transferred without interfering with their sleep. In Kisumu, you can take a teacher from Moroni to Nyanda. Yes. Okay. You already had more commit. Can answer allowance, but commit. That is what we are pleading with them to ensure as they transfer the teacher, the sleep is not affected.
Okay.
And two, the family must be taken
also taken care of. Yes.
Goli, Ingamaten majority kondiki, somewhere city only 5 years. Majority Kinyombo, ya ulibe some OTO next to commit. Kato kayo tere cho 20 kilometers away from you. Out of sight, out of mind.
Disorientation will be
it will disorient, then again it will interfere with our family structure.
Angu yuago sanima duong nyocha ulungo wa bura moro kano yuago ratijo puonj jo JSS udano bed autonomy weche ungen ga jopuonj utucho mo kuredizia
weche watu bok ngeny weche wagin mana weche makonyo jopiny nikech sama japuonj okobedo confirmed.
Yes.
Ma japuonj ondik as intern ochamo sina 17,000. Pesa circulate mokuongo in the economy mar gweng'no ero is very low.
Okay.
To some ndike permanent, but even pesa omedore e kor gweng'no. To be ng'amo ndik permanent mogo ne
Sura. 17,000 japuonj timo gang'o? Let's do this arithmetic. Odak na pesa di.
Wawuonde ni koro dak ot mara wawuonde japuonjo dak gweng kada wacho Kisumu Central. Kisumu Central
wacha jana wadala.
Kisumu Central kwa chako kata ot rent pesa no.
Yes.
Ko you can imagine japuonjo onde Kisumu Central ka. Wan gi Victoria Bathaka.
Yes.
To mi yesinga alfapaga be. Ibi alfapaga be. Ngino onge ot manyalo dak. Chune no dak ot mabati mara alfangwen. To kata koso dak ot alfangwen. Look at 13,000 a month of 30 days. 13,000 can divide with 30.
Poko chulo steam.
Less than 400 shillings per day. Kata ke chamu breakfast ke lunch. Wawe kata wacho steam again.
Poko commute.
Wawe kata commute ngene. Chimo kende. That money is not enough. Nge chidongi 13,000. Divide by 30. That's about 400. What do you use for breakfast? What do you use for lunch? What do you use for supper? So it is difficult.
Binyakirwa kiri japunya ka bedi.
Nyakirwa muko me town ka
embele nyate.
E town kan tijo madongo dongo kabisa. Janyolo biro kaka kuri rwako ni malari. Biro tijo ka japunya wako tuk. What will happen? Kara nyathi will
ya. Kapro kono wako na wera dia school morokas. Jopuonju moko ka neno.
And yeni nyithindo
they are not motivating our kids.
They will not motivate the kids.
Yes.
The most immediate person ma nyathina all the time.
Kione.
En japuonj. Mani ka japuonj wako malaka kora wako kodani. Japuonj donjo gi gache moro maber. Ing'e nyathi wacho ni kare tich puonjo ni maber. Let me also
work. Chen mora tima tek na bed ka japuonj.
Na bed ka japuonj.
Correct. To ka japuonj ma
being nyithindo most of them okwa bedo japuonj.
Why? But they tell us that today.
They don't. Most of them don't want.
What dogi?
No, okni wacho wadog. What are they very and they know we are really working hard to make it succeed. But still they don't want to be teachers. Why? Because most of us, the way they are living their lifestyle
doesn't amuse them.
Doesn't show really we are earning money. Because for sure, person attain. Koro intern koro leech. Koro think about the point you look at school with t-shirts.
So you are pushing mondongi bid
confirmed. And again, not really because the life is hard only. It is also illegal for them. The internship has been declared illegality
by the court.
By the courts,
the jury,
the Supreme Court.
Yes.
And again, even the TSC has accepted. That's why they did not appeal. They only requested for stay order. Ni mondo geri organize
temporarily oyene igibere kama.
Yes, nikija again okinya chulo gimondo ge employ kaki kwini gionge pesa. Meaning the only thing you will allow those teachers to be at home now.
Okay.
Nikija ko insist to wana onge pesa.
Maliko unyandeko.
Koro ndigiuru. Meaning they will also lose their jobs. But again, kata mabio I made the day is not there.
Okay.
Nikija mokuongo our MPs, the same MPs I'm talking about. Otamre mo kada school de ogidwa chulo kata mana pesa extra even 1,000.
Mo ka unyolo chulo fa chelto.
Even in Nyando, they are saying MPO insists you tell chulano fachia. And these are places which is hard to staff. I'm telling you. Go to any school even next week. You will realize there are even 10 BOM teachers. In fact, over 30% of the teachers are BOM. Unlike Kisumu Central. Kisumu Central, some BOM teachers only one.
Okay.
And there are even some schools without BOM teachers. But go to Nyando today, take the data. A school like Ojeko, which I was part of it, we had about 35 teachers, and almost 25 were BOM teachers. You can imagine that scenario. And you know, Njiko is along the road.
Yes.
Now, what about Okanja Pen? What about Okanja Tendeka? What about Ombaka? What about Kuchogo? You will get stretches. Yeah, look at Kuchogo where it is. You will get that over 10 teachers at BOM. And assuming they are being paid 17,000, the same way these others are also being paid interns. You multiply by about 20, that's over 300,000. Then you as an MP, you insist Nikichula Alfachiel. And this Alfachiel you are saying is not to pay the BOM.
In Berori.
Populist. At the end of the day, you are not helping the kids. You are not even helping those parents who are celebrating you today. And I want to tell you, by February, results will be out in Nyando this year. In fact, mark my words very well. Okay. The other time I told you when
on record, yes.
When there was issue with Kisumu, I told you, wait and see the results. I don't know whether you check the results of Kisumu this year. They were the worst in this, almost in the whole of this country.
No,
don't call it a peck. You say attack, automatically they will have cold feet. It is normal. And you know, results does not come by doing ordinary work. Yeah, you must do extra to get better results.
Devote yourself.
Yeah. Like even in Central, I think you are around. You have always seen them. These teachers go to school even up to late in the evening.
Correct.
And very early in the morning they are in classes.
They stay up to late.
Why? Is it that they don't know it should be 8 to 5? No, they know. But they have realized that ordinary work does not give results.
There
is something motivating. And everybody has accepted. Even the president is aware. You know, there are things that when they are done, Kata in kanga to biro office you teach malaya. You know kinya tamuri me so.
Exactly.
It doesn't mean you are bribing. No, you are only appreciating.
There's a way of saying asante.
Yeah, you're saying asante. So you realize that some schools, like yesterday I was in Nyando. I was in a school in Nyando. At Kochogo, in fact, to be specific.
Yes.
And I realized right now they're not going for morning classes. You know, these remedials was a reason. There was a reason for them. Okay. Slightly, and for sure, a school like Kochogo, we only take our kids for two reasons. Either we are poor or they did not perform well.
No, you're not serious.
No, I'm telling you, I've been a teacher for a long time. These are realities.
I only know a school where you take your kid kind of footballer.
There are two reasons why we take our our school to some schools.
Yes.
We take our kids to some schools because we are poor or they do not perform well. Because surely, why will you take your school to child to school A and not C1 if you have money and they have performed? Okay. If somebody has performed and you have the money, why don't you take the kid to C1? You have a chance. And who will not want his kid to be in C1?
No one.
And again, which child is this who doesn't want to be in C1?
No one.
No one. So meaning, when you are in a C4 school, there are two reasons. Either you are very poor, or the child did not perform well. If you have another reason, tell me.
No, you say explain it.
That is the reason. So, now I want you to look at a school, day school now, at C4. Meaning you took your child there because you are poor, or
either
the child
did not
perform well. Are you seeing that point?
Or perform well, pesa,
yes.
Or perform.
Because again, did not perform extraordinarily well, then Equity Bank dokawe. Nyathio knya yido maxim ya ngwen, to okokawe. They would have been sponsored. Meaning this child is average.
Okay.
Or you are poor. Now you are poor. And the MP is telling you that you alpha Chal, alpha dek in a year you take Somo. Okay, Loband, okay, look at it's okay, it's a good idea. But why don't this MP think of it differently? That I don't think we be school all the time. The capitation from the government, already they are bringing less by 6,000. Yes. So as an MP, let me go and fight so that the money is brought exactly the way it is, 22,000. You know that one you have already helped the parents. So that there is no deficit from the government side. Then number two, you now say, let me also give them bursary of even 2,000 each. May you only go to school and count one by one. You now don't mind where the child is coming from. Okay. Now the only thing you mind about is that these are kids within my constituency. They are studying here. Then you give them money. I tell you, if you do that, there will be performance, there will be motivation from the teachers, because at least they will be assured of even their lunch. Correct. But you know, when you now bring your own maize, which of course sometimes might not be that very good quality. I don't want to say also bad quality because it has not been approved. But it might not be the very good maize that a teacher wants to eat. Okay. Then most likely where will this child go to? Go to the chimo tokode. Ipalo duo. Riembo kibiria. Meaning there are things masa mwa wachu ka wanobir kodika bujumora ye kwa wonya wachu. Ingen japunyo the riembe teach is not easy. Correct. Japunyo kina riembe teach. Online 14 days consistently. Onge explanation. Toka biro school ka uono, kinya leo, urucha biro, o kinya riemba teach. The only thing me have to tell you can only deduct my salary. But you see, as you deduct my salary, yes, I'm suffering, but who is suffering most? The child. And the community. And the community. Koro, even at the end of the day, why knew this community? And I taught in Nyando for a very long time. Correct. And in fact, Nyando, just go one day next to that Kochogo school, you will realize everybody knows about my name. I sacrificed my time in that school. So I've stayed in Nyando more than even the current MP. Every day I will be in that school even at 4 a.m. in the morning, waking up the kids in the body. I'm the one who motivated the principal to start that school as a body. Okay. And I want to think it's the best school in Nyando. The best. Also, even on Jake. You are continue ni sub county mauoke maseme. Jopuonje rodho inyo kendo security okber. Usewi njoma? Dair marwacho ni ana mayuago yogno mugo. Ose wacha. No, it is true. Last year. What is happening in Seme? Last year. Yes. There is a teacher who was killed. Butchered. The only thing, ni apjo gweng no ber ni janyuol, ing'e mar gima jopuonj wuok from very humble backgrounds. Yes. Ko japuonj ni wuon gi nosetho, min gi nosetho. Kwar gi mano puonje. Koro jaduong be did not want a lot of issues. Ok nodwa donjo weche mag sirikal, police yango. Koro en kose nyise ni nyathi oyud koth e ndara, to niga piko kanyo, koro nokawo ni nyathi na pike monegi. And it was left like that. Mo them ondiko nyaka federal. I was there, I was present. Koro wambe no donjo issues mang'eny nikech ka janyuol emo sewacho. Yes. Ni yawa, wach nani akwadwa no dhi mabor. What do you do now? Mano no negi. This year again, there is a body in the mortuary of a teacher, intern, a teacher who is just 21 years old. The only child modhi school at Dalan, mo won't get you on the university. Just said Yakadalan. Money at the name of Cho, Temu the university out of all his kids. Otho Chuoge Pala, can go Chuoge Pala, we no Mondi. To get some week in it. The worst thing you go back now.
Japunyo the atom go so.
No, Japunyo the atom.
Oh.
You know, Japunyo Nyalwe Moko, embedding social life.
Correct, true.
Toka Japunyo the Karuyoka more. Toko learning at Jalubi Chuoge Pala.
You're not allowed.
You're not allowed. Nigaka your media atom, Kuru Raki de Chuoge Pala, Monegi, your mother. No. Kuru Ochuoge Pala. Tungamo Chuoge Pala in Luno Mondi. Tungana in Poko Magna Sama Weko.
Teneguen.
Iwajoni win you some money and don't Ken Kure. Even the government of Kenya no?
Correct.
Yeah. So the OCS of that area, even the commander within the county, Okanya is what Konya Mako. Kuru Kancha de Dalan to January, which I know so we Waiki on 22nd. We are going to remove the body. We are removing the body on 21st tomorrow.
Okay.
And the burial will be there on 22nd. Kuru January Neko say Iki. Kuru we move on. Kuru January Bo Kolwa Miyoko. Engelated chewing. Tika January Musa is Namonyo Nyat. Any Kuru Waji in late Malo January. Kuru Kusi when I watch Aikna Fena is when I see what to do. But
now where the OCPD maseme.
Yes.
Bankono say injury pode. Ma work seme. To no nyi se ne wa chiwo kwa no me 1 week.
Thank you.
Mondo me gi ke no nyi se ni we will come. And maybe broke our jama cause. Ke ta me report ma ne York. Mo wacho ni owinjo. Odelo wacho no. But yo kod gimar neno ni at least uchopo ko kodonjo gi korwa inye korwen. Mondo mi tenda rita kwe kod yod bura makono bo ukonyirego.
I've been trying to engage leadership. Kendo dar mar wacho ni kata mana office police semeno. I've gone there several, not once, not twice. But okawadwa koko mangeny keche wadwa no ikwe into kose ike chiengni ike no. I want to assure you ni Monday after that we will be in that office. And if action is not taken, then I will call for a serious demonstration in Seme. Mondo jionge ni Seme. And yegi mawari ya mugi kata mother leadership has not even talked about this issue.
Okay.
We have an MP there. I've never heard him talk about it.
No, actually true. I've talked to him. I've given him the plea.
Yeah, I've not seen him talk about it. We have leadership. That is the place where we have even the commissioner of TSC. And you can't tell me the security of Nyabedo Kama commissioner in NTA. It's a serious thing. So all of us will be on it. And you see when a teacher is affected, you can imagine what teachers can do.
And we don't need you Kamora Moro. Kala Seme can maybe in Nyakach.
Even in Nyando, there was a time the teachers were attacked. There is a teacher Mapoko Duo was Nyakasama Wekodin. It was a time Mogo Chonga Yagi Motor. Mutemana Kerecho, Hospital, NTA, Mother Manana Nyakakuru. Kuro, ingeni the teachers, king of the community, ingeni sani pentek. Yes. Yo majunge yone get pesa ma and salary. Ingeni teachers. Mas tingeni sa mangaru be tasu moro donje fuku ne jinyalo fuenyo. Niki sa moro kamanyi yue mpogore mate. Ko yunge ni niki moro matene huku ni.
Kane jinyalo ne intori madogine.
Yalo madu karika nyero madu mabet kaya ko sa moro improve matene ko kilo mabet mile matene. Kuri ingeni yogi cheki to go gikone gilu to go mana kodi. Kuri yupombe da kwa mondo be a bit sensitive and careful. You know gingi maber. You know gingi maber ni joma gin gogo gine target.
Yes.
Nti gine majunge ne gine pesa. Kuro nyaka gingi ko gingi omano to nyalo bedo matek.
Competition yo biro maber this time round. New school.
One thing I don't want to comment to kamano kum uru pesa chon. But the second thing I do watch ni government they call marach. Because the percentages momi ojogi pesa mukilo is too low. Kaji the teachers were expecting 6,000 and above. Tino came single fadik. Okay. It becomes very difficult to operate. To jonyuol tingeno ngeno se or pesa makikor nyathi dala.
Correct.
Kuro bedo matek. Kuro wakwa the government, the committee mar education mar parliament. Mondo gi push so that there is better allocation. So that our teachers are not having a lot of stress. Ingeni sani kati ngeni kake nchiko budget. Bando ni jiko budget elfa ngwen. Ingeni sani nyo chuka bando is at about 5,600. Yo medo. Yes. Kuro life has not remained the same.
Capitation benyo medi.
Capitation no come. Duke chiengi 6,000. Mana umewa jini MPs yone go team their work. Unogidi parliament ugigo koko nika no so anye 22,000. Okone kubiru dugo chien.
Yes.
The only thing it should improve nika after all. Bejiki mko medo.
True.
Kaka mafuta ningi okesaidia that. Yes. Sani mafuta dhima. And this schools no use fuel. Even if it's electricity, we use the fuel in
that. Kata Quran generator.
Kata Quran generator, you're using fuel. Kata mana schools manage buses, they're using fuel.
Correct.
So a school cannot be a system without fuel. Kuro nego beni gingiyo, ni pesa nego be 100%, and you even improve. To go to they should be clear and tell the parents, this thing we call free education is not there.
Okay.
Let us go share, so that parents are aware. Ni igol alpha par from Jonyuol to government golos alpha pagauche. It will be very clear thing. Kuro kwa biwa government.
And now, what is the expectation from your teachers? What is the role of your teacher? Ngomba dingis jopunje umane school. Or make it debate on the wrong side of the law.
Ingeni capitation kuse biro. Ingeni jopunje your is just to teach and take care of the kids. The principal is the one to administrate, and the board of management. So the board of management, they are to manage the funds. A teacher, an ordinary teacher, does not need that money. Him, what he needs are the materials to do his work. Odwaro chok, odwaro nyithilo tefo co-curricular activities. Kaka sani in Tamtuni, moso in Nyanza. It's very volatile.
I know.
Niki sani wasachako go mpira. Tingeni mpira kigo to ken tuki nyithendo. Ngima serious. Magala nyithilo manye leo ni school kuro leo.
It's involving.
Sani nyithilo attendance 100%.
Medore.
Sano medore. Karanga manye leo ka unkuro biro niki nyupiro chako. Kende ngima lich magala jo gwengo kawe matek. To kendo ko ki support gi. To kuro gigo imanao. Music bentie kati in some schools such a even the primary, though I should not talk about on behalf of primary, but I'm part of the society. Gita mwenye thoni kikite music, kikite wear, ni wear is expensive and capitation more negative. You know that is not their duty. Nyapthi otingi madwaro.
Yes.
Kuchopo dakapa mugi kimone ubelege the out no. Watch ni pesa unge. Call the community. Go to the director so that the right thing is done. But you cannot deny kids opportunity to practice. That's very unfair.
Okay.
So I want to warn the teachers that kindly allow our kids to participate in as many co-curricular activities as possible. Kaka ginyalo. Magata ngiti ma practice kandi okibidhe yako. Let them practice. Kucho kuno ginyadhe yako nikech pesa unge. Call the board, because that's the work of the board of which you are part of it. Call them and tell them, nyithinde kusubedo kwa practice gini to koro pesa unge. What do we do? You shut that point. That is the time you now call even that you are MP. Mo time you want to pick up pesa na mo do pesa.
Yes.
Yes.
Osola sa madima wangu wadai kodonga uchiel romo sa dik to buche ngeny sa madibe nitin. Unkod bura kod jopuonj gi kod ira mwachopeni. Ube usechako bedo ka jatend piny makoro ringo gi ndege koni kod kocha to jopuonj ogony ndege pado.
Justus. Yeni ka Nyasaye ogolika to ketika. To nyaki gone.
Nyasaye wora ingama nade.
Nyasaye ngama lich.
Igola piny?
To kete diere ka.
Igola diere.
Koro nyalo go mo Nyasaye oyier chiemo tiri kata nyaka ma.
Okay.
To gima ng'e Nyasaye osegola piny to seketa kamono. Kendo ago nero kamano makende nikech den an awuon I will not have managed. To Nyasaye otiyo gi dhano me opportunity to serve this great city. This is a city.
You didn't stole their votes.
This is a great city. This is a great city, and in a city okanyal kwalo kura nikech ingeni when you are going for an election, my union, the sitting executive secretary of the union is the organizer of the elections. Now you can imagine that he organized the election, then I'm stealing. That he will be so much of a fool at that point. Kaponi management and I know he was a bright man. And he was a very bright man. He was not a fool. So I would not have stolen his votes. Though he's in the courts, ni nakwalo kuche. To apanungeyo my networking that I did before that election. And given that I was a secretary of sports for 7 good years, elected and re-elected, and I started from the zones in 2006, I was a force. Now can not no underrate. But I thank God Nyasaye nyalo tiyo kodi in a way me underrate gimoro mabechak duog in. Kurato daer mana mar goyo ne jowa erokamano. Emomiyo on 23rd chano ni wadhi bede gi gimiluongo ni Thanksgiving.
Okay.
Madhi chakore saa 4 wan.
What is this Thanksgiving?
Thanksgiving en go ne Nyasaye erokamano.
It's a prayer.
Is a prayer.
Okay.
Koro wadhi chake gi prayer madhi bedo idhi telne gi Father Mabolo. Catholic Church. Okay. The presiding church will be Catholic Church.
Okay.
But again, we have invited ACK. There is Reverend Togut.
It's more of interdenominational.
More or less. Though they will be available, they might not have a duty to preach.
Okay.
But we want them to be part of us because the ACK Church, that's where we have our office. In office one in Gorofa Maradek to make disability and the rest. in my manifesto, we agreed we were to remove it from up and bring it
I've
down
not
to the ground
visited
floor.
Kupet office since you came in.
Yeah, you have noted.
And office unange was it Alimran or somewhere?
It was at Pioneer House.
Pioneer House, yeah.
Now ACK. Old cathedral.
All the cathedral. We do space kanyo.
Yeah, we do space kanyo maduong within Milimani.
Okay.
And man okay nikech ni waneno ni nitie joma ok nyal idho gorofa nikech old age, old samoro gin ongol in a way. Koro no wach nyaka kete ground floor. Koro mano wasetim. That's part of our manifesto. Koro the church ACK must be invited nikech is part of us.
Okay.
Then there is what we call the Miracle Church. Motelnegi Bishop Oyo in those sides of Kibos. Embe were invited nikech that is he was our prayer bishop in our team when we organized our team called Team Oxygen.
Yes.
Korembo bedo invited. Mambo bedo available. So that even all our elected leaders have been invited.
Okay.
Nikech an elected leader okinyalo weyo oko is part of it.
You've done letters to leaders.
Yeah, we have done letters
from
governor
up to and including
from governor up to including the PS bwana nani interior bwana Omolo. We have invited everybody, even the professor Ojienda, Ron, call them, all of them.
The hookahs of Nyanza region.
We have invited them.
Okay.
And I know they will come. I've invited all the teachers of Kisumu, and I'm expecting about 2,300 plus teachers. Okay. And again, community wabok bibedo chien gibiro bede gini. Koro dayar marwako everybody mondo obi ona yodi chiengne ne to kare nyasaye binga malich.
Okay.
Good
morning, ilunga ni Millicent. Mano first comment more kod japuonj kum kaka ose wuoyo motegno kosiro jopuonj to penjna go ni to ng'at mosebedo dala kan osetiegre to pok oyudo ndikruok nyalo luwo nang'o. Samoro nitie jomoko mane osetiegre to puonjo kata private school moro kanyo to jogal to kanyo koro pache no oweyo ok oluwo weche gigi. What would you advise?
Gima ng'eyo masamora winjo pache no kange nitie jopuonj osebudho kabisa. Most of the P1 teachers kendo sani be secondary is being affected joma timo arts. Koro biro ni ng'ato osetiyo kata mana over 10 years kapok ondike. Tero joma timo science ke sani we are more interested in STEM.
Yes.
Ero ka ng'ato otieko kata 1 year to sendike. Koro an gima nyalo wacho en the TSC, and we are pushing for that. They should take in consideration so that they kick buda magere retire before they are employed.
Yes.
So that they get opportunity at least to be employed. And when applications are there, it will always be online, and everybody will know. You just apply, and I know you will be considered. But we want to push hard so that at least the age of stay out could give them more marks so that they are absorbed.
Also, pensionia NCIA. Onyalo luogo fees money.
Definitely, when there are applications, the only thing in nowadays employment are localized.
Okay.
Matenike idaxia te Kisumu. Automatically don't diki Kisumu. People do contindiki.
Okay.
It's localized. Okay. Unless ungija puny mar that area kinyalo kawo ng'ato mao.
Awinji maler. David Kodidi maber iluongo ni Spencer wacho ni chenro ler kabisa awinjo maber mosa japuonj gi lweti amose. Antie awuok Kisumu dala kaendi aonge weche mang'eny aluwo mana chenro mos. Happy blessed Wednesday. Charles Luanga wacho ni an mwalimu Charles Luanga ayudo maler ka antiere kamoro ni Kenyerere basement. Well ayudo chenro yo makare amor kod japuonj kod pache en odiochieng' mar tich adek maber. Antie chenro ka kendo waluwo kod Minoda Gladys Kerubo, Lavi Kwamboka, Sylvia Mora, Wendonyi Nyaore, Rafael Misiku, Jacqueline Kwamboka. Okwawuoge chenro nyaka utieki. Dhano ntie ka osura kendo giluwo gini achiel kachiel. Gini ber donje uru jokanyana.
Awinjoge.
Gini ber donje uru.
Awinjoge. Mae odwa gidonje kabisa.
Yiera osura nikech samoro koro aonge kod thuolo kasetieko ma moko gin meki to koro asoma piyo mondo watieki. Millicent ochako nuoyo another political segment kawuok Mwero Panda Siaya County an kodi e chenro angima nyalo wacho en ni luor ber ayany gi weche mochido biterowa kamoro jotelo otine jopiny giwere gi gwanruok e kindgi ka gidwaro tiyo ne jopiny sadi to gigwanore. Owuoyo wach Mheshimiwa Owanga kod Nyatieng' Orengo. Victor Ochieng wacho kanyo ni nyakwar Ramogi Ajwang orado ono wacho ni nyakwar Ramogi Ajwang orado kod nyakwar Sinakuru kukulu bangla madog nam gwere to dhi ilonyo ginene public. Okay, mano teno gi kidi mano wacho wanga kod wach Orengo. MC Baby wacho ni siongesa nadhi ketho en mowacho. And then Morin Awuor wacho kanyo ni erokamano wacho ni kalonyo ginene nyame yud ginene to kalonyo ginene ok da so patieki. Pod wa celebrate Arsenal. Orengo gi wanga nyalo rito ruto duog koa oko eka wacho wachni ibija Arsenal.
And I really admire Kindaro Sports. To gimanya sawa konyago ni na support ga Man U to no chopo kama na weyo. And tinda support. Tinda ngia to moloyo no tago ni so good, but I do a lot of local soccer. Kaka sani koro schools becha compare ni. Man is my interest. Keno man to kaleo ni man to be there kabisa, but moko go
skundi man soccer.
Sani to kaba chiel mango. Mana kaka nchi anga kitabu no mbele. Ni kuru skunde tema ne Kisumu County gen maga. To moloyo to kore ma support as we move forward.
Maseno Biro
is good for them and I thank them for that.
Maseno Biro
is good for them. In fact, why is in soccer?
Yes.
You can't predict.
True.
They are serious. I don't want to mention names, but
I know you are not allowed.
Gimange at the moment there are over 10 schools in Kisumu County. Mokinyi ng'eyo ng'ama dhi bedo number 1.
True.
Kendi biro neno. Mpira dhi gwere ma kaka kidhi teme Onjiko. Nikech wanda winjo tere Onjiko.
Onjiko nyanyago jabentie.
Chalo gima gintie. Ok poka winjo ni giweyo. Gintie.
Onega lemgi.
Yes. Lemgi ine kaka jaduong' Muga wacho.
Dako skal konya dek nyako Muga Ajwang bang' sa dek ogwen maket kod maendi jaduong' Osura ni kod buche mowinjore bed ni ochope. Osura wach ni mogik. Bura no wabe ogwelwa koso wang'ia gi.
Wach na mogik en ni Kala TV en odwa. Kendo tematek mondo ichopgi gima ng'ero ok nyal lewi.
Wabigi machine.
Une joma nogera. Une joma nogera biru gi machine. So iuto ubi ka iune nono. Machine to ubi go to iti bi ka ne nono.
Kwa chiemo ngine monde
nikech osenyisa ni chiemo dhi bedo malich. Dong inyo ka nyisi jotelo te bire. Ing'eni kama nitie okotho pande, kama nitie aduma wuon owuor, magen jo nyakach matago ng'eny. Kama nitie G10 tie. Koro sama gidhi gibiro
to Willy Manero.
Ai to da apage. Deputy governor ok nyal lewa apage. Deputy governor Willy ok nyal lewa.
Erokamano.
Nikech ng'eni manager tendwa maduong' e county ka sani kaka jo nyakach makocha. Koro mago jo nyakach kaka jo nyakach ng'eny jo mohero gi kabeyo. Kendo gionge wach kendo kanyo ka gibiro magentie te. Ing'eni kochopo tielo mar 12 to koro ji bedo piny to winjore but sani to ng'ato ka ng'ato manyo kare. To kik iwendi nyaka go kwinjre. Nyaka go jo mohero matek. Be kidwa ng'eni giherore to bi dala chieng' ni biro neno gi wang'i.
Wach mogik ni jopuonj, rwak jopuonj e chenro ami thuolo.
Dair mar wacho ni jopuonj I encourage you ni mondo uendelee gi tich matek nikech ang'eyo ni tijo mar puonj ni en tich mar loko ngima mar nyathi. To kwa loko ngima mar nyathi to waloko the whole society. To sama waloko the whole society, the whole country and the whole world will have a big change. So let us do our best. As a union, we do our work to fight for you so that you are given better pay, you are given promotions, and I know our promotions are due by July. Again, we will communicate and we will ensure that there is fair promotion for the teachers. Your health is also your wealth. Kindly visit the facilities that provide treatment. To can't hear any issue, kindly call me. The co-payment should not be done. Kuruka facility mora nyalo chandu gi weche mag pesa nikech ang'eni wach health wach SHA is a big issue. Just call me. We have the powers to even deregister those facilities.
Okay.
Erokamano.
Wano wacho ni atiche kar tiendi keturu kata kanyo nyako Ramogi Ajwang kamano moro montiero kamano kuom ne kawe kendo kete Kala TV nyaka ne wachak chenro ni eriko gwen market kod maendi nyaka sane wakawo yo machok wabiro kanyo kod chenro no ero marumbo mayom mabende chakore nyiri machok mabiro mbele kanyo kapok wabedo kod chenro no ero mano mar chuny wach mikelo ni kod nyawadwa Brenda Genyo Nyasuba Nyalam. Bang'e mbele kanyo dhi bedo kod weche manyien mano saa kang'o chop kanyo saa 7 saa 8 dhi bedo kanyo kod chenro no ero mano mar entertainment mabende chakre kanyo saa 8 nyaka madhi mana saa 9:10 kucho. Koro saa 10 weche manyien ikelo ni kanyo kod jowetena mabende ikre e studio mar 3 kocha. Saa 1 weche manyien saa 3 otieno koro watieke kod wechego manyien mago mag ng'endo weche. Nyasaye konyalo to nyalo na wachak warad kendo odiochieng' ma kiny chieng' tich ang'wen TBT Thursday. Then chieng' Saturday ema wane gweng'i.
Saturday.
Wane gweng'i. Full swing.
Kabisa.
Waraduru Nyakach.
Nyakache.
Oywa. Nyakach oywa, Nyakach ulang'o. Nyakach nusiepe joseme. Lunga just ado ya wood seme. Warat chieng' Thursday kiny.